Dear students, in our previous class we had started the discussion about sentence and clause. Okay, we had completed the discussion about clause and kinds of clause. Okay, what are the three kinds of clauses in English? Yes, principal and main clause. Second one, coordinate clause. Third one, subordinate clause. Today, let us discuss sentence. Okay, that we had just discussed in our previous class. Sentence means basic unit of language. It is a group of words. The sentence express the complete thoughts. So, in your textbook page number 47, some important features of a sentence. 4 features are there. The first one, sentence is a basic unit of language. Sentence is a basic unit of language. Second one, it has a subject and predicate. Okay, it has subject. What is subject? Subject means name of person or thing. The predicate express what the subject tells. That is the predicate. Third one, it begins with capital letter. Okay, the sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. Okay, so today let us discuss what is sentence. Sentence means a group of words. It has subject and predicate. The sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay. Now, we can discuss, there are 3 kinds of sentence in English. First one, simple sentence. Second one, complex sentence. Third one, compound sentence. Okay. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence means it consists one main clause. It has subject and verb. S means subject and V means verb. It consists one main clause. It has subject and verb. Okay. What is main clause? That is a independent clause. So this first part, that is main clause. Meera likes coffee. He is running. Then I like coffee. I like to read. All these things are main clause. The simple sentence consists one main clause. That is simple sentence. Second one, complex sentence. What is complex sentence? That has one main clause and one or more subordinate. Okay, it has, in the case of complex sentence, it has one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. Example, our dog barks when she hears a noise. Our dog barks when she hears a noise. So, our dog barks, that is main clause, and she hears a noise, that is subordinate clause. The complex sentence, what is that? Yes, the complex sentence that has one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. Okay, the last one, compound sentence. What is compound sentence? It consists 2 or more main clause and independent clause. 2 or more main clause and independent clause, that is compound sentence. Independent clause may be, that is coordinate clause. Okay, one main clause and independent clause. So example, I like tea. Rani likes coffee. I like tea. And we use the coordinate conjunction and to connect the another sentence. Rani likes coffee. Okay. I like tea. Rani like coffee. Okay. These are the 3 sentences in English. Okay. Simple sentence, it consists main clause. It has subject and verb. And the second one, complex sentence, that has main clause and one or more subordinate clause. The last one, compound sentence. What is compound sentence? Yes, It has two or more main and independent clause. It has main clause and independent clause. Okay. That is compound sentence. Clear? Then after watching the video, if you have any doubts, you just ask. Okay, children, thank you.